Akwa Ibom, arise and show the world how you built a home flowing with milk and honey. Show the world how you manage resources and money, how you made it rain when it was sunny, and taught your people that being honest is better than being cunning. Akwa Ibom, arise and show the world the blueprint of what leadership success is, how your leaders are never blinded by their successors, how the plans and ideas of leaders are understood by their successors, how you fight the oppressors and free us from things that oppress us. Akwa Ibom, arise. Show the world how you proved that leaders are prophets who see a future beyond their own pockets and profit. Your leaders are such who are not blinded by greed, passionate leaders who feed the poor in their times of need and build homes of compassion to give hope and shelter to those in desolation. Akwa Ibom, arise and show the world how you created the best airport in 4 years, something that other leaders struggled to do for years. But because you listen to your 31 children with your ears, you know exactly what to do to make the best of 4 years. You are planning a future where everybody will get work, for states where road connects like good network. Akwa Ibom, arise and show the world how you turned a bush into a beautiful Christmas village, using your own people to create an attractive image. Show the world how you turned every bushy area into a resort center. Arise Park, Ibom Air, you must be an airbender. Ibom Hotels and 4 Points by Sheraton are not just sources of revenues, they are indeed rare venues. Akwa Ibom, arise and show the world that the uniqueness of your foods will make anyone sing your song, the best in the world, appealing to the tongue, from Afang to Ikpankukwo to Edika Ikong. Akwa Ibom, arise. Show the world that you prepared your people for the battle of life. You gave them education and skills for swords and knife. Graduate, no need to grudge and wait for this land, because you've taught us to understand that like the lines in our palms, our future, they are our hand. You locked poverty and hunger and did the disarming, reminding your people that the only solution to famine is farming. You taught your sons and daughters that the grass isn't greener on the other side, but it is greener where we water. Akwa Ibom, arise and shine, for your light has come, and the glory of the Lord has risen upon you. Akwa Ibom, arise.